Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Run. No, what? I thought that was something you could collect. Run. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing a new game called Bite by Night. Okay. I like this sister location style elevator. It's pretty cool. I like the cutscene so far. So this is basically just like a Forsaken basically, yeah. Forsaken but with FNAF characters. Oh, we have an arcade over here. 10 token packages. 10 game tokens, 1 souvenir card. I don't know what this is. You can play games. I'm guessing all of these. I'm guessing all of these are the same game. Oh look. Here's Springtrap. I like his design. Pretty much just like a Dead by Daylight. Oh, why is there boss music? Boss music. Springtrap. Survivors. You can buy emotes. Friendly skins. This is the Minecraft one, now that I'm realizing it. The clown. Not heroic dance. I knew it. Once I saw that picture there, I knew. Oh my goodness, going for a bite. Looks, I guess that's like a Springtrap. Oh look, I'm not Springtrap. Oh, I'm with this noob. There we go. What map is this? I guess we have to do like generators from like the real Forsaken. Oh. Oh, I'm definitely about to be slow in this one.
Guys, I don't want to hear no jokes. Oh, he's really good at that puzzle. What the freak? Open it up!
There we go. Other side? I think they're already fixing it. Oh, that's Springtrap! Run! I'm out of sprint. Go the other way. Oh, he's blocking it. What's that? Why are the generators? Oh, what's this? What did I just find? You got to protect it. Oh. I have to drop this. Come on. Among Us wiring. Last man standing. What do you mean, last man standing? Oh, it's danger. Oh, there's Springtrap. Next, no, Run. I am not good at this. Well, I'm dead.
Tango without more of a fight. Pathetic.
Did everybody lose? Everybody lost. Well, at least we got money. Oh, that's me! It's me! Oh no, that means I'm gonna kill. Oh wait, I am Springtrap! Wow! Springtrap. Whoa. Look at this. What you do? Back here. Get back here. Like that's gonna work.
Struggle. One. It's the hunt, sweetheart.
Yes, that's good. I don't want to camp. I don't want to be a camper. Whoa, battery. Oh, he's a fighter. One fail. Is everyone in here? Get back here. Whoa, I'm on a roll. Oh, there's the other people. Get back here. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Still don't know where he went. Insert. Yes. Now where's the last one? Oh, where did he go? Only 300. What was that? Taser cams. Ooh, I don't know if this is actually good. I don't know if it's worth it. I think I gotta go with fighter. Yeah, I'll go with fighter. Am I fighter? I don't know, it's like a buzzer beater. Oh no. Okay, I'm a fighter. I'm already doing it. Oh, there's one right here. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. I see him. I missed my shot. Where's it? I remember. Come on. It's this way today. I don't know if Springtrap's that good, so this is probably just a free round. There's another generator. Nope. Oh my.
Oh, come on, for sake. Where the hell's the exit?
Open doors! Hold on! Open the door!
My goodness. No. Come on. Run! Oh, well, he completely ignored me. Never mind. He's bringing him over here.
There's nowhere left to hide.
Bro doesn't even care about me. Uh-oh, I'm at 4 health. I need... Oh. I should probably stop playing. Thank you. Bro, this guy's W. W man. I'm being healed. He's not near me, right? Thank you. Okay. I don't know if I'm ready enough to fight, but where is the last one? Where's that? No, where is it? Oh. I need healing. He doesn't have any more heal? Or maybe he's chasing the medic. Last man standing. What? Am I really the last man standing? He knows where my location is. So, better good fighting. It's better fighting than nothing.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Run. No, what? I thought that was something he could collect. How to survive this? Where's the exit? The exit's over there. Yes! I won! I won! Let's go. Let's go, let's go, I won! Oh, 700. That's really needed.